All right, question 2 from the 2016 practice exam is now a derivative, and we're going to evaluate the derivative at 2. So the derivative itself, again, a few things going on here. We're going to have some chain rule with the first term and followed by some product rule because we're going to multiply all of those together. All right, so we're going to start just finding the derivative. So f prime of x is chain rule, so e to the 2x times 2, and product rule says their derivative of the first times the second, plus we're going to have the first times the derivative of the second, so there's 3x squared. All right, so there's our derivative. I'm just going to, don't know why it's putting it all together, so we'll leave that there. Now we're going to evaluate that derivative at 2. So, come on. We're going to evaluate that at 2. So this becomes e 2 times 2 is going to be 4 times 2. Here I'm going to get 2 cubed plus 1, so we're going to get 9 plus, we're going to have e, again, to the 4, and 3x squared. So x squared is 4 times 3, we're going to get 12. So now I have 18 e to the 4 and 12 e to the 4. If I put all of that together, I get 30 e to the 4. So I'm going back up, and that is D.